Hello students. In the previous class, we discussed about Kalidasa, the famous Sanskrit poet of India. And now we will discuss the second poet, Bhabhuti. Bhabhuti was a learned Sanskrit poet and he had extraordinary command over Sanskrit. In his works, we find great scholarship and genius. His works are full of the description of the beautiful scenes of nature. He was born in Padampura, Vidarbh in Gondia district in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh border. His real name was Shrikanta Nilkantha and he was the son of Nilkantha and Jatukarni. He received his education at Padampavya, a place near Gwalior. Bhabhuti was an 8th century scholar of India, noted for his plays and poetry written in Sanskrit. A Brahmin, Bhavbhuti passed his literary life chiefly at the court of Yashovarman of Kannauj. Bhavbhuti is best known as the author of three plays. His famous plays are Mahavir Charitam, Malti Madhav, and Uttar Ram Charitam. Mahavir Charitam, the story of the highly courageous one, depicting the early life of Ram, the epic figure Ram. Malti Madhav is a play based on the romance of Malati and Madhav. And the third famous play, Uttar Ramcharitam, is the story of Rama's later life, depicts Rama's coronation, the abandonment of Sita, and their reunion. Bhavbhuti is considered to be a master of the Kavya form, a literary style that is dominated by elaborate figure of speech, particularly metaphors and similes. Besides these plays, Bhavbhuti composed shlokas on the principles of poetry and criticism. He was greatly influenced by the works of Kalidas, whom he worshipped. And the plot of his plays are very gripping. Now we will discuss his poem If learned critics publicly deride my verse, well, let them. Not for them I wrote. One day a man shall live to share my thought, for time is endless and the world is wide. About the poem. In this poem, Bhavbhuti expresses his views regarding adverse opinion or adverse public criticism of his poetry. He says that if learned critics laughed at his poems, if the critics mocks at his poems and make fun of them, let them do so. He further says that he doesn't care about criticism because he had not written his poems for the critics. Bhavbhuti is confident that a day will come when these critics will understand and appreciate his poems, and they will agree with poets. Though Bhavbhuti also says that time is endless and the world is wide. In future, the entire world will acknowledge the value of his poetry. Thus, he believes that in future his poetry will be praised by people. These lines have been translated from Sanskrit into English by John Brooke. The rhyme scheme of this stanza is AB AB. Uh, there are some meanings which I would like to explain. Learned means having or showing great learning. Publicly means openly or before everybody, not private. Deride means to laugh at someone or something, to make fun of something. Verse meaning poem. Route when you worked carefully or when you manufacture something, that is called route. Time is endless and the world is wide. It's a proverb. It is used for time. Time will come when people will share Bhabhuti's thoughts all over the world. So Bhavavuti is confident that his thoughts and his poems will be famous in future. This quatrain is written by Bhavavuti, and according to the poet, there are many learned critics who do not value his poetry. Bhavavuti does not care for such people who deride his poetry. He believes that time is the greatest critic, and he is hopeful that in future his poetry will be appreciated by everyone. He says that time is very valuable, and poetry that stands the test of time becomes immortal. We are reading Bhavabhuti works even after almost 1300 years. He comments that he did not compose poems for those critics who doesn't understand and criticize his works. He has firm faith in his poetic abilities that one day a man will find his poetry worthy, and a day will definitely come when people will commend his poetry and his poetic efforts. Mahabhuti is very optimistic about future of his poetry, that a time will come when his poetry will get applause from everyone and it will be recognized by everybody. So it's an optimistic poem. Now you have to explain how Bhabhuti expresses his optimism through this poem. What does he say about the nature of poetry? Thank you. In the next class, we will discuss about Bhartari, another famous Sanskrit poet.